My name is Aaron. I've lived in the Belleville area for about 3.5 years, and I've been a patient of Stonefall Dentals for about 3 years. One of the biggest reasons or concerns I'd say I had about dentistry is growing up I did not have very good dental practices, so I had a lot of problems and issues with my teeth, but it was just because the lack of going to a dentist. And then when I did visit dentists, I always had bad experiences in the past. I've had dentists tell me you're supposed to have pain when they're working on your teeth. I should be doing a few things to help myself out, but they don't really persuade me towards, hey, try this toothbrush, maybe try this toothpaste. It's just been, you're kind of on your own. So I haven't really had good dental experiences in the past. When I first showed up at Stonefalls, obviously I've had bad experiences in the past, and I was back in a dentist office again, but after the first visit it wasn't as scary, it wasn't as painful, I didn't have any issues. When I showed up it was a completely different story than I've been dealing with the last few dentists I've been to. It was, when I left it was, my mouth felt clean, everything felt worked on, and I didn't feel like I was leaving in pain. I don't remember even feeling any pain when I got worked on the first time I was in the office. The staff at Stonefalls, I have to say, is probably the best staff that I've come across. I do a lot of traveling with work, so I meet a lot of different people. It's a rare case that you actually come across people that are polite all the time, very knowledgeable, they give you information, and they're just willing to even just talk about your normal day. It's not go to room 1, have a seat, doctor will be with you in a minute. It's actually they want to know how your day is going, if there's anything they can do to make your day a little bit better, even if it's tell a little joke. It's a rare case that when you're actually dealing with a hygienist that you actually know her name. I would say even the other few coworkers I work with, I'll know Amanda's name, and it's just, everything seems clean cut, it's always done properly. I mean, everything she works on is, if she sees anything that she can give you an idea, hey, why don't you try doing this, maybe you should do that. But when I'm in the office, everything's clean, everything's well taken care of. It's, you're in, out, and done, and you feel clean when you're walking out the door. Of all my experiences that I've had here, Dr. Prane is by far one of the most knowledgeable dentists I've ever come across, and I've never had a bad experience walking in the door. It's, when I used to walk into any dentist, it used to be paranoid, stressful, all the above, and one of the biggest things that I had when I was here was I had 2 wisdom teeth removed. I had more coworkers and family members had me scared to death when I was going to get these done. They're telling me it's going to be painful, you're going to hate life, this, that, and the other. I don't remember anything past getting the 2 initial little shots of local anesthesia. Besides that, no gas, nothing. It was during the whole procedure. Teeth came out, I don't remember an ounce of pain. A lot of my coworkers in the area have started asking kind of where we go, because we've had a couple new employees and I have no problem pointing them in this direction of Stonefalls, because Dr. Prane is, like I said, one of the better dentists that I've actually had. But we've recommended a couple. I learned through this place through a coworker, and I'm going to do the same thing and pass our more new coworkers off to this. If I had to sum up Stonefalls Dental in just a sentence or two, I'd say very knowledgeable and more along the line willing to work with a patient. Everybody has different needs, and they'll do everything they can to help you out and with the least amount of pain possible.